Hello, welcome to Smartdrive Tips. Today we'll be looking at mistakes electric vehicle owners make unknowingly that can damage their vehicles. Ready? Let's get started. Electric vehicles are not only environmentally friendly and economical, but they also stand out with their technological systems. However, drivers may develop certain habits that can damage these vehicles without realizing it. Here are some things you should never do with electric vehicles. Don't completely drain the battery. In electric vehicles, the battery is like the heart of the vehicle. Completely draining the battery can shorten the life of the cells and lead to capacity loss in the long term. Charging the battery before it reaches critical levels extends the life of the vehicle and prevents you from being stranded on the road. Avoid using fast charging continuously. While fast charging is great for emergencies, using it constantly heats up the battery and causes the cells to age faster. If possible, opt for standard charging for daily use, and only use fast charging for long trips or emergencies. Do not drive at excessive speeds or accelerate suddenly. Electric vehicles deliver high torque, and sudden acceleration can be fun. However, repeated aggressive acceleration puts excessive strain on the battery and motor system, reduces energy efficiency, and shortens tire life. Do not force the engine when it is cold. Electric motors provide instant power, but the battery and motor system take time to warm up to full performance when cold. Immediately accelerating to high speeds or driving long distances after starting, the vehicle strains the battery's thermal management and reduces efficiency. Starting off slowly for a few minutes is beneficial for both the battery and the motor. Do not travel with excessive load. Carrying heavy loads or excess passengers places extra strain on the battery and motor system of electric vehicles. This increases energy consumption and can cause the system to overheat. If possible, use the vehicle with a balanced load. Avoid hard braking and sudden stops. Electric vehicles have a regenerative braking system, which assists the brakes while charging the battery. However, constantly braking hard or stopping abruptly causes unnecessary wear on the tires, suspension, and braking system. Bonus tip: don't leave the battery fully charged for too long. Leaving the battery at 100% capacity all the time also puts stress on the cells and can shorten its life. Especially if you are going to leave it parked for a long time, it is healthier to keep the battery level around 50 to 80%. In conclusion, electric vehicles can be very durable and efficient when used correctly. Paying attention to the battery and motor system, avoiding sudden movements, and managing charging habits properly will both protect your vehicle's health and increase your driving safety. Remember, small details make a big difference. Show your vehicle the care it deserves and make your driving experience enjoyable and hassle-free. See you in our next video from Smartdrive Tips. Safe and enjoyable driving.